$600, guys. Yes, you can earn $600 to just listen to music. No matter where you listen, you can earn $600. Let's get started right now. Hello guys, I'm back and I am Grace, also known as Littlemama, and I'm from workanywherenow.com. Yes, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $600 by just listening to music, guys, okay? It's going to be very easy and you could listen to this music no matter what you're doing. But if you actually want to earn a real online income, like a real passive online income by building your own business, check out the second link in the video description, because that program is going to teach you exactly how to build your online business where you could earn any time of the day and work at your own schedule. So that's something that I do since 2016, guys, and I've had many success with this program, and I hope that you would check it out as well, because it's brought me much benefit and I've learned a lot from that platform. And I've been able to earn from them as well. So check that out. It's the second link in the video description if you want to earn much, much more, okay? So let's get on with today's method, which is here at current.us. Now, here, this is the app that you can download to your phone. Look, it's good for Apple Store and Google, so it's good for all phones, so it's good for everybody. So I want to earn rewards while working, so Current is what you can use to earn. So you can earn $600 per year just listening to music, and you can't get easier than this by earning online, guys, okay? So you can spend your points on in-app features or gift cards to your favorite services. On the Current app, you could stream from so many different radio stations, and then you just basically earn points while you're playing your favorite music. And so once you rack up your points, then you could just use them and exchange them for gift cards or anything like that. The more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app points called points. And during the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates. How do I spend my points? Points can be spent in various ways. We're starting with in-app premium features that grants users the ability to record music for offline usage, and we'll be adding gift cards, cash out features, and CRNC tokens in the coming months. How do I earn more per play? With every tap of the play button, you earn points. The speed at which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. Our most valuable users play frequently and share preferences generously and want to reward them, and we want to reward them for their contributions. How do I get music offline? In order to get music offline, choose a radio station to play and press record at the beginning of the song you like. Once you're done recording, press stop and the recordings will be in your library. Please note that this feature will only work on the radio integration. So let's check out the App Store, guys. So on the Apple Store, it is pretty well rated for this type of app. Well over 4 stars with tons of people rating, guys. This is totally legit and free to use. You should be able to earn $600 a year from this app. Look at this, unlimited music streaming, free, okay? So not only you're getting music for free, you're actually going to earn money while you're doing this. So let's check out the Google Play Store. Here, the app is rated over 4 stars with over 120,000 people rating. Okay, that means millions of people are using this app already to earn, guys, okay? So this is teenager friendly, it looks like. Get Current's free music app and earn money while listening to music. Everyone loves earning cash money rewards. So it looks like they have even more ways to actually earn, because you could get paid to give your real opinion through surveys. You could earn cash by trying free apps and games and watching short videos. You could earn gift cards and cash by inviting friends. You could get rewarded with cash money for playing music on your lock screen, and you could get paid real cash instantly for shopping and saving money on your bills. So there's tons of ways for you to earn, not just listening to music, guys. And they're always updating their app, so that's good. So you can actually earn $600 or more per year. You don't pay money, you get paid money from listening to music. So the list just goes on and on about how you're going to get paid listening to music. Okay, so that's the main thing. This is even rated more than the Apple Store, 4.4. So people really love it here, guys. And look at this, May 5th, they are on the ball to help people use the app. So right there, totally legit, guys. Okay, you guys are always asking if this is legit. Yes, it's legit. Okay, and people are earning. But you know, if you want to earn way more than that, you're going to need to use a program like the one in the second link in my video description, because $600 a year is not that much, obviously, and it's really a side hustle or just like a passive way for you to earn some extra money every single month like that, but you're not getting huge money. So if you're serious about earning money online, guys, check out the second link in my video description. It's going to be a program that will teach you how to do that, okay? And it's going to be much bigger money. If you really want to earn a full-time online income like I do, check that out and actually build a real business, guys. Building your own online business is actually key to making big bucks online, guys. Without building a business, you're going to be always using apps like that, and most of the time people get frustrated with those apps. So if you want to make some serious cash, a serious income that comes in consistently every single month, big money, so check that out and learn some online skills, guys, okay? So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, guys, and I don't know when they come out, so get notified, all right? So I see you on the next one. Bye.